Medical school is a challenging and rewarding journey that requires tremendous dedication and discipline. It's a time where students are trying to become a doctors and a physician. However, the process of becoming doctors is accompanied with a lot of challenges more than your expectation. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the common challenges that are faced by medical students and how to overcome them. So whether you are a medical student, whether you are a nursing student, or is someone that is schooling in a college of health technology, so I want to watch this video after and because the insight that I'm going to share in this video, it will be helpful for you more than your expectation. So before we start the video, if it's the first time you are watching our video, I would like you to support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. As I mentioned at the introduction of this video, today I will be sharing with you the common challenges that are faced by medical students and how to overcome each of them. The first one is academic demand. You know, the academic demand of medical students is all like mathematician, engineering, and law student. You know, the medical students are required to return a best amount of information within a short period of time. You know, the medical students are facing challenges like attending classes, difficult exam, and the pressure to perform well during having an examination. So to manage academic demand, students should develop an effective study habit and use of time management and seek help and guidance from their mentors. The secondly is clinical rotation. You know, the clinical rotation is an essential part of the medical school because it helps a medical student have a skills and to learn a new procedures from their experts, and sometimes can lead to stress and anxiety. For some students may feel overwhelmed by the responsibilities of caring a patient and struggle to manage academic duties and the clinical rotation. So to navigate a clinical rotation, so students should prioritize a self-care practice and seek guidance as well as support from their mentors. The third is mental health. You know, the medical school can cause a devastating effect on the mental health of a medical student. You know, the pressure to perform well, the clinical rotation is can lead to burnout and anxiety. If you want to protect your mental health, so you need to prioritize a self-care and seek guidance from your family and friends. The number 4 is financial burdens. Medical school, it is expensive, unlike law and defense academy. One thing I heard about medical school is that tuition, textbook, and the living expenses can increase their price within a short period of time. So to manage financial burden, you have to do some business to sponsor your education or to apply for grant and scholarship. This can help you to sponsor your education. The common challenges number 5 that are faced by medical students is dealing with the imposter syndrome. You know, the imposter syndrome, this kind of pressure that is affecting a lot of medical students, which is characterized by the feeling of the inadequacy and the self-doubt despite the success they are having in their previous examination. To deal with imposter syndrome, students should recognize their achievement in a medical school. The common challenges number 6 that are faced by a medical student is managing time and priorities. Medical students must do a lot of responsibilities from classes attendance, clinical rotation, and the study for the preparation of the examination. This can lead to anxiety, stress, and even a depression. To manage this, you have to create a schedule about how to deal with each of them. The last challenges that are faced by medical students is residency preparation. The Penalea Medical School, it is focused on the residency program. This is challenging and stressful time for the medical student because they must balance their clinical rotation and the student for the preparation of the exam. But to manage this, you have to seek guidance and help from your mentors and do research for the residency eligibility and the requirement. If you found this video helpful and informative, I would like you to comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Smash the subscribe button for more educative and helpful videos. See you in the next video.